Come on, no one has any ideas? Nothing?
The thing is, the tools they use haven't changed in such a long time, and I think they're happy with them.
We just need an idea that's different, adds value.
Yep, easier said than done.
So, I do have this possible idea.
Okay, elaborate.
Well, it started as a little bit of a hobby, but then, well, let me show you.
So, this is what I've been working on. The time machine.
Wait a minute. Jonas, are you telling me that you built a time machine out of a DeLorean?
Yes. I'm thinking, we travel to the future, see what technology and tools are used there, and we bring that back to the market. Now.
But does it work? Can we use it? Is it safe?
Yes, I think so. Possibly.
Well, we don't have any other ideas, do we?
So let me get this straight. We get in a homemade time machine, travel to the future, hope to stumble across some bolting tools, have a look at them, come back, and then use that knowledge from the future and deliver bolting tools to the market now.
I think that's about the gist of it. Bolt to the future.
Okay, I think we're ready. I've set the date for the future. Where's Callum?
I think he said he's going to get changed.
Okay, that's where you set the date. Once you've seen what you need to see, simply set the date back to today's date, and you're ready to go.
Okay, got it.
Pretty quick, really.
Pretty smart too.
Is it safe though?
Quick, safe, smart. It's got a good ring to it, that.
Okay, so there is one thing. You mustn't be seen or actually bring anything back with you. Just look. Basically, the space-time continuum is a very fragile thing.
Got it.
That if handled...
Right, let's do this. Great Scott! There we go, guys. Shall we go take a look?
Let's do it.
Wow. This looks like a new power unit for the Revo nut runners, but portable and designed for outdoor use. And it's got QR codes on it as well for smart connectivity.
A new hydraulic torque wrench called the Torque Flex with a single coax connection. That's much quicker, much more durable. And then there's a retained reaction arm. Wow, so no drop feature there. And then an adjustable handle as well, as standard. Nifty.
Wow, look at this. Looks like smart tensioning system. Amazing. So compact hand controller with all the intelligence inbuilt. It looks like guiding the operator also on the screen. Barcode scanner. And there are ports for the data collection as well. Amazing.
And look at this, a high torque battery powered nut runner with dual triggers for safety and operator feedback. And it looks like smart connectivity as well.
Hey, what are you doing?
Let's get out of here.
Didn't someone say we're only meant to look at the tools, not take them?
Yeah, didn't Jonas say something about space-time continuum or something?
Nah, let's go.
Battery tools gone as well.
What is my STS?
Has anyone seen my vest? Amazing, guys. Let's get to work bringing these to market. This changes everything. Where's Jonas?
I think he's just checking the car.
Guys,